how to essentially diagnose, analyze prospects to seek to understand their situation and connect to them and build a relationship. It's all about consciousness. It's all about being fully aware and mindful when speaking to people. That's how you build relationships that turn into paying clients. I have a quick question. I know this is a part of the script, but I'm just curious. If you checked her profile, would you know if she's in affiliate marketing or not?
Yes, I've added her, and I have see her comment about learning more about affiliate marketing from someone else's profile. So I thought she will be into affiliate marketing or learning more about affiliate marketing.
Yeah, so I want you to make that second message way more customized to each person. Like, hey, I checked this out. I noticed that you're an affiliate. You're affiliate marketing already. Like, don't ask something that is obvious on their profile. Do like 5 seconds of more research before you message them and go, what's something I could pull from here to start to break the ice with? Ice breaking is not about just asking a question. It's about relating to them. So if for example, if they're already saying affiliate marketing, it'd be kind of dumb to say, are you an affiliate marketing? You go, hey, I saw you're in affiliate marketing. How's that going? Do you see what I'm saying? Just the 1 inch more of thinking about your messages to them. Person sends you a message. I am semi-retired, but I do bookkeeping as the main job. However, I'm learning to become an affiliate marketer. I'm taking a couple of online courses. Wish me luck. What are already like 4 to 5 things you could pull from that message? Tell me.
I'm learning to become an affiliate marketer. Like, she's starting affiliate marketing and she has taken some courses.
Well, that's what it says. I need you to tell me what it means. So don't care about what people's words are. I want you to think about what they mean behind the word. So what can you tell about the person when they say these things? Let's say I go, oh yeah, my Sundays, I don't do anything. It's my personal days. You go, that means that Sundays are their personal days. That's not impressive. Like, you're not doing anything. You're just repeating what they said. See how many questions are in my head that I can use as a leverage to make the conversation about that can move me towards why she would need my help for affiliate marketing? Do you see how I'm thinking? So here are some things I'd be asking. I am semi-retired. Write that down. I'm gonna tell you the things I'm thinking so you can start learning my thinking habits. First, I'd be asking, what are you still doing that's half non-retired? I want to get into the life. I want to understand them. What are you still doing on the side? First question is, why are you half retired? Because I want to know, do you like not working or do you have too much money? Because this matters. This is leverage for why we're going to start a new thing together. I need to understand why they make choices. Second thing I'm going to be asking myself, what made them get into affiliate marketing? And it's so odd, isn't it? Like, you're a bookkeeper, semi-retired, what is affiliate marketing out of nowhere? Why? So that's another thing I want to make the conversation about, because I'm understanding their motivations for doing things, which makes me understand the motivations for why they'd work with me. You see, I'm trying to understand them. I'm not trying to go through a script. The script is just the framework. If you don't touch these things in the framework of the script, you'll miss out on gaps that help you close. But it's not the purpose for you to just shut off in your mind and write stuff. It's about, this is the direction of things I want to be wondering. So why affiliate marketing? Second, did she pay online courses? Did she get free courses? This is another big question, because is she already spending money on this? Because why would I want to know that side? Why would I want to know if she spent money or got free courses instead?
Because if you already spend money on courses, then she's already in a mindset of spending more. Like, if she is into free courses, then maybe she's not in a right mindset.
Yes. So you can change the way you approach the conversation. Second thing that you can pull from that, though, what's another reason why you want to know if she spent and not spent on these courses? Hey, like, every month you're not making 10K, you're losing 10K, but also you've already spent 2,000 on courses. So like, you're 12 grand in. See, and I hope everyone's paying attention to this. This is the first message she sent back to me. I got like 4 things I can leverage. I review sales calls the same way with my salespeople. I get on a call. I'm like, the first thing they said on the call, I'm like, dude, that's already using for the close. You guys wait way too long sometimes to think you know what you're going to do. Consciousness. Be fully present, listening to them. Really pay attention. Oh, interesting. And just be curious. Oh, retired. Why? Bookkeeping? How long has she been doing that? Why affiliate marketing? Why not just go into consulting or, I don't know, Amazon? Like, well, why that? Why she choose that? Why she like that so much? Does she want to buy courses too? Does she pay for the course? See how much is happening in my mind? Then you go, Armin, how do you come up with these responses? It's because I'm not scripted. I am the script. I'm sitting down, I'm listening to them, and I'm curious because I'm wondering, what is this person up to in their life? And can I help them? And if I can't, then yeah, go. It's a nice conversation. If I can, there's nothing you can tell me that will change my mind that I can help you. I'm an investigator. You understand?
Right.
I hope you wrote all that down. Okay.
Yes.
Cool. Awesome. Cool. That's awesome. How are you finding things over? So see how that blanket statement, first of all, makes you look like a robot or a setter, right? Second of all, you pulled on no strings inside of her, no emotional strings, no leverage, no paying attention, no. So it's surprising if she responds. So if people are ghosting you, it's because your conversations lack personality. It lacks personal connection. The only people you don't respond to, all of us have ignored people before in text, right? Only people you do that to is people you have no reason to respond because you feel no connection to why you have to respond to them. Like, oh, you're just asking me stuff. What do you want? If you feel even a little bit of connection to the person you're talking to, you feel wrong not to respond. And this is actually everyone take a mental picture of the screen real quick. This right here is a mirror reflection of the simple truth. You get what you put in. Notice how the first message is one line. How long was her message back?
One line.
Notice how your second message had a little more depth. You were focused on something. Well, how long was her next message?
The same length. And
doesn't mean that if you want more emotion out of them, you should put more emotion. Sometimes you ask one good question, they open up. But what I'm saying is this is a good understanding of, okay, if I give them a shitty one sentence question, they'll probably respond with a shitty, like low effort kind of answer. And that's not what we want. We want to understand them. We want them speaking as much as possible with us. What word can we pull out that we can leverage right now? What word in her last message can we focus on?
Overwhelming.
Good. Yeah. And it doesn't even have to be, you kind of went too soon for a story, but it's not wrong. I would have went in and said, oh, what do you mean by overwhelming? Why? Then she'll open up. She'll tell you all the things. Now she's going to start giving you a list of things she's doing wrong or not liking. And guess what you have now? A list of problems to solve, which gives you what? Leverage to get on a call, which gives you what? Reason for the sale, which gives you what? A client. Do you see how all of it like an algorithm is connected? No one thing in the chat and the conversation with anything is purposeless. Everything has a purpose. You need to learn how to mind the purpose. Good. So first of all, I just want to give you a round of applause here, man. You're learning. You're doing good. It's progress. See, you told a good story. First of all, you connected. You told a good story, and then you seeded the answer in it, which is I got myself a mentor. This is good. It's a good start. When you start to listen to them more, you can start to every single conversation should feel unique and different because it is. Each person's unique and different. So this is a great start. Absolutely amazing. Eventually, you want to get to getting myself a mentor is kind of obvious what you're trying to imply, and it's only 2 messages back and forth so far. It's a little soon, maybe even too soon. What I would be doing is asking at least 3 to 5 more questions around the pain. Oh, okay. Overwhelming. Oh, have you not figured this out? Oh, it's easy to fix that. How come you're stuck here? I would be doing that for like 5 messages. Then I go, you know what? Everyone goes through this. Even when I started, it was tough. And then I got myself someone, I got super focused on one person. There's like a dozen things we could pull on here and go in different directions, find out like, so she feels understood. She had businesses back in the day, which means what? She's not afraid of investing and working with someone. She knows, right? You're dealing with someone to higher caliber. She hates all the tech stuff. Easy. So if you offer something around doing tech for her, boom, she's in, right? I have a couple domains set up as well. My plan is, what's the domains? What's your plan with those domains? Why a couple? I'm curious. Like, what's the strategy here? All those things, right? My plan is to set up and run by July 1st. Now she'll give you a date. She's telling you, man. But see, the problem is it's a month and 2 weeks out, right?
That's
so another conversation we can go, hey, how come July 1st? How come so far? You said sooner, right? What's stopping you from doing it this month? What's stopping you from, and obviously he's telling her, but like, so if, let me get this straight. And this is where you start doing like the, frames. So if you had all the tech stuff figured out, how early would you launch? See, I'm setting up the cost of time close for myself by saying, if you, and I do this with money sometimes, I go, if you did have this figure, how much do you think you'd make? And they always give me a number and I go, got it. So you're not making, that's the cost of the problem. I made them tell me the cost of the problem. Over here, I would say, if you had all the stuff figured out, I'm just curious, how soon would you launch? If she goes this week, I go, wow. So you're saying that if you figured all this out, you would save yourself an entire month? Free chat this week. See how they walk themselves into what they need from you? Beautiful. Good. Well, here's the thing. I wouldn't say why not this month, because she just told you. Again, this small things makes them go, you're not listening to me. The moment they think you're not listening, they don't trust you. If they don't trust you, they don't want to move forward. They don't want to talk to you. You're going to be uncertain. You're creating your own problems with them. Again, you go, so see, the question I asked would have been the actual personalized question. If you had all the software, the funnels, the email addresses, all that stuff done correctly, how early would you start? That's how you approach the time issue. So say you're doing the right thing in the wrong way. At least they're not the best way. You understand? Activity's right, process isn't. Got it? Okay, good. Never. None of my script is promotion. I see the difference. Don't ever directly tell them what you want from them. Ever. Never tell them what to do. That's an indirect, yeah, by the way, if you need my help, let me know. Now you're just another guy who's trying to help her with the shit and she's already and this is where quality matters, man. She just said 10 different people are telling her what to do. You just added yourself and made yourself 11. You see what the problem is? You said, well, that's why I'm here. Who are you, Jesus? You're no different to her. You're just an 11th person. That's why I'm here. Let me know if you need any help with strategy to follow on Facebook. No, this is where we lose it. You go, interesting. Confusion can really suck, can't it? I mean, a month, July could turn into next year. I'm pulling on the page. Yeah. So how are you going to focus? And why do you have 10 different directions? Like, are you not clear on what the right one is? Because there is a right and a wrong one. Now, what is she going? Finally, someone's talking to me and like helping me get clear, because that's my real problem. I don't know what to focus on. What is the right one? Well, see, the one I'm working with is a charm. It works like crazy, but I'm just curious, like, what do you think? See, I'm just seeding and I'm pulling and I'm pulling. I'm doing it so much. So one day she grabs me and she goes, Give me the solution. This is how you marinate, eh? That's where we went wrong right there already. It built it. You started strong. Go up a little. Let me see the next message. Oh, I already know you did. This is absolutely wrong for sure. So you went from, so this is, everyone pay attention. This is what you don't do, okay? And don't tell me I teach this. You walk through my 1.5 hour messenger script training. You go through any of Desmond's stuff. Nowhere do we tell you to jump to promoting yourself, jump to the offer. Everything is about finding deeper pain, deeper. My role play in messenger script is all about deeper pain. I'm asking questions. This is not what you do. Okay. So right away, you add yourself to the 10th person. Now you're the 11th. Second is you pitched her. No, I'd have a strategy to get leads from other people. I'm not even going to read her message, right? I'm not even seeing her message. I promise you it's some form of opposition. She didn't ask for free things. She doesn't want more information. She just complained about having too much. See, if you're listening, you would know. It would be great help. Do you want to check it out? You know. And don't ask for things, guys. Never tell them, do you want this? Yeah. Like I got something. And they go, can I see it? Oh yeah, okay, sure. Now I didn't read her message. I promise you, like I teach in my sales training, when you tell them what to do, they respond with defense, opposition, just as a reflex. If you say yes, they say no. If you say no, they say yes. It's just always human nature. I could be wrong. Let me see it.
No, you were right.
Am I right? She said would love to. Oh, okay. However, see it. However, I almost am like, oh shit, the one exception. However, I have tapped all my financial resources. See the promise? See, you already sound salesy. You didn't even say anything salesy. Yeah. She's already assuming you're trying to sell her something. You just lost like the entire connection to the prospect. You're making such great headway. Now she thinks you're trying to sell something. You didn't say anything about selling something. Care about them. Ask them questions. Go deeper. Never offer them anything. Just be there for them. Just got out where I'm now, $6,000. So I can't afford any more courses or memberships at this point. Thanks. And then here's what most of you guys do. You read that, you go, oh, Armin, I need higher ticket leads. Oh, look, she has no money. Find me. I want to put out content that gets people who have $10,000 ready to give to me. Like, it's not how it works. That girl has more money, man. She got more money. She got it everywhere. Everyone got money. Problem is,
how to take money.
You took the lazy road. It's not, I'm not throwing shit at you. I'm saying the lazy road is that you kind of depend on the script and you go this way. You don't think. They say their problem and you give them a completely different solution and try to offer them something. What the hell are you talking about? I want everyone to pay attention to this. Don't read the script. Be the script. Let the answers and the things and the insights these prospects tell you be the next thing you talk about. But just have in the back of your mind the framework I teach you, because there's a psychological process to what I teach. You need to first understand where they're at, why they sucks there, what they're missing, where they want to be. These things you need to pick up along the road in the conversation. But if you just do it mechanically, you will not build the kind of rapport with the prospect to pull those actual things out. My point is, don't replace coming up intuitively what to say with my script, but don't make the script replace you mindfully sitting there listening to what they need. They both must happen in unison. Am I clear?